Okay, we're back trying to get the lowest score. And why is there Kobe on SS? Okay. Look at that guy. Skarika. What's that? No. Okay, I'm back. I don't even play basketball, so it's gonna be hard for me. I don't know why it made me go out. This one. This one. This one. This one. Oh my god, bro. Come on. Skarika. I need to get that. Oh yeah, I'm dead. Oh, I like that. I'm gonna try to get that person, like the SF person. Yes, that guy, yes. That's the SF. I kissed it. What? Yo, what's up, sorry? Don't worry, that's me now. Oh yeah, guys, you wanna see him? Oh, don't go away! Okay, I'll show you guys in there. That's Cocer, and that's Sar.
You mean that's Coke? That's Cocer and that's Molly?
That's Coke and Sar. What the?
No.
No.